Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tita H, and today I will be showing you guys how I did this beautiful look, this volumizing curls using my Dyson Air Wrap. So if you guys want to see me do my hair, please keep on watching. So you will be getting this huge beautiful leather storage, and then as you open, you're gonna see a mat where you can put the air wrap itself, then some instruction, and then when you guys open it, you will see the air wrap itself. So yes, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 barrels included in this Dyson Air Wrap. So the first one is, it comes with the pre-styling dryer. Pre-styling dryer, this is for you to damp your hair, and the two 1.2-inch barrels and 2 pieces of 1.6-inch barrels for more loose curls, and 1 firm smoothing brush. This is for fine hair, firm smoothing brush, and the other one is soft smoothing brush for coarser hairs, and last but not the least, the round volumizing brush. This is one of my favorites too, so you guys can see it's really used. And then the air wrap itself, and then when you open this is where you can put the wires, and there's some manual instructions right here, and then the brush, the filter cleaning brush, of course. So yeah, let's have it. Hi guys, so as you guys can see, I just got out of the shower. My hair is a little damp now, and I already did my makeup, so now it's time to curl my hair using my Dyson Air Wrap. Alright, so a little introduction to it is that I was fortunate enough that my husband gave me this Dyson Air Wrap as a gift, so I was really happy and I was really grateful, because this Dyson, the cool thing about this Dyson Air Wrap is that it'll give you a blowout hair for like the salon, blowout salon hair for like 10 minutes. But if you want to add curl to it, it'll take you like 15 to 20 minutes. It says here that the way how it works is this air wrap has a Kawanda effect. Kawanda effect is the tendency for a fast-moving jet of air traveling over a surface to attach that to another surface. And basically that's how the hair attaches to the barrel fast enough to create a curl. And it has an intelligent heat control that measures and regulates the heat. In that effect, it helps protect your hair from extreme heat damage, and of course it maintains shine. Let's do it. I'm gonna dry my hair now. So my hair is already damp, so I don't really need it to use the pre-styling dryer, because if it's wet, if your hair is really wet, you have to use the pre-styling dryer to get it down. But now it's kind of dry, so actually I would spray a little bit of water. I'm gonna use the 1.2 barrel. So you always want to curl. So the easiest way to know what barrel to use, if you want your hair to go outward, like away from your face, you have to go to the mirror, and if you see that the arrows are going away from your face, then that's the barrel that you want to use. So of course this one is for this side, and this other barrel, obviously, as you can see, it's outward. So you'll use this one for this side. So let's try. You guys can see it's wrapped around. When you feel that it's dry, turn the clothes up. You see that curl? You see that, guys? From a blow dryer, can you believe that? So, yeah. Brushing it with your hand, your fingers. There. And there you guys have it. So it took me about 15 minutes to finish this look. And yeah, look how amazing the curl and the volume is. Va-va-voom. Like it. You guys can see that's the curl, and my hair looks healthy, by the way. It doesn't look dry. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell button for my future videos. See you guys next time.